Hej, jeg hedder Signe, og jeg underviser i biologi og i idræt her på Europaskolen.
And I'm Tim, and I teach biology here at the Europa School. So in S6 and S7, you need to take A Science if you take biology. There are two options. There's a standard level, which is 2 periods, and there's an advanced level, which is 4 periods. In the standard level biology, it would be biology that is, if you weren't planning necessarily to focus on science at university or in your next studies, but it would give you the kind of groundwork about how science works. We'll still do experiments. We'll be thinking about how science and how biology is happening in the world. We have coronavirus to think about right now. So it will incorporate biology and standard biological practices, but also some real world understanding of how biology works.
Hey guys, my name is Faith and I'm taking biology and chemistry at S5 and a standard level. Biology and chemistry is very important in understanding how we work, how we function, and how we relate to the environment, to the rest of the world, and to ourselves. And so, biology gives us that understanding, how we can process things. And so that's very important when dealing with things such as, the coronavirus, how we understand how vaccines work, how immunity works, and so we can have a greater understanding of how we can operate in society.
Advanced biology in S6 and S7 builds up of what we learned in S5, and we go more deeply into all the subjects, and we develop our skills in biology, and we do more advanced experimental work, and we also try to visit things outside of the school and try and take the theory knowledge that we learn here and see what happens in the real world, in real science. Advanced biology would be very helpful if you want to study science at university or go the scientific way.
I mean, science has always been very important, but now with Corona and all, it's even more interesting and more impactful. But honestly, I have no idea what I want to do. So it's also why I'm very interested in sciences, because it opens a lot of possibilities as well. But it's also very interesting on its own.
And that's why I also want to, I keep on saying, choose all 3 sciences so I have more opportunities later on in life.
The advanced and the standard level will have a mix of kind of lecture style, but also lots of practical work. We have brand new labs and equipment. We'll also be working in groups. There'll be opportunities to do presentations and lots of different ways of working that it's not just exclusively a kind of lecture format.
That was a little bit about biology.
And we hope you found this information useful and that we maybe get a chance to see you next year.